Hey guys, this is Jason from Can'tStopEating.net, and today we're going to discuss tips on how to curb your appetite. Many people have a difficult time sticking to a proper diet because hunger pains become too overwhelming. Well, thankfully, there is a solution. With many different tips, tricks, and videos, you can easily control your appetite. And below, we'll be discussing some basic tips that you can start applying immediately to help you if you can't stop eating. Which brings us to tip number 1, to eat more protein. We might as well consider this to be the most important thing in a proper diet. Reason is because protein is king above all the other macronutrients available. Protein is the main recovery factor for almost everything in our body, including tissues, tendons, ligaments, muscles, hair follicles, fingernails, teeth, atoms, and much more. If our body is deficient in protein, we will in fact take a loss of lean body mass and lean muscle. So now, let's take a look at how protein can help us in curbing our appetite. It is known science that protein takes longer to digest than other macronutrients. For this reason, this long digestion period will help you feel full a lot longer. Every meal should consist of a complete protein for a well balance of nutrients. Tip number 2, exercise. Did you exercise today? I can imagine that you didn't need to read this article to know that you should be exercising daily. The benefit daily exercise has on appetite is astonishing. Exercising consisting of both weight training and cardiovascular activities can temporarily suppress your body's hunger cravings by changing the hormone levels ghrelin and peptide YY. When these hormones are released, you will have the temporary satisfaction of not feeling hungry. How about a caffeine rush? Tip number 3. Caffeine is known as a natural appetite suppressant. Now, I'm not telling you to drink 8 cups of coffee a day, but maybe having a coffee midday can give you the benefit of suppressing your hunger. If you're trying to lose weight, try to limit the amount of sugar in the coffee. Tip number 4 are greens. I see green. Eating a meal consisting of salad could be beneficial because it is low on calories and will most likely fill you up. Vegetables, the dark green color has amazing nutrient benefits and it can significantly help you stop eating. Eating something that will take up a lot of room in your stomach will be your key to curbing your appetite. And tip number 5, have you had enough H2O today? Drinking lots of water or even fruits and vegetables containing high volumes of water can help you stop eating. They add bulk to your meals while also stretching your stomach, emptying out the stomach slower. If you're feeling a slight hunger pain, maybe go and have a large glass of water and see if that helps with your appetite. And finally, tip number 6, are you busy? Keeping yourself free of boredom can have a phenomenal effect on your hunger. Most people get hungry because they are bored. Whether it be at home, work, or school, try to keep yourself busy with any sort of activity. And remember, the general rule, don't eat if you're not hungry. For more information, or if you want to watch a great documentary called Can't Stop Eating, which documents the lives of 2 people suffering from Prader-Willi syndrome, feel free to go all the way up to the website and click Can't Stop Eating documentary. Other than that, I will see you soon.